This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anna Cavalier. Welcome to your new home in the desirable West Boca community of Timberwalk. This stunning 3-bedroom villa features an open floor plan with split bedrooms, a renovated kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a subway tile backsplash. Enjoy neutral tile flooring in living areas and laminate floors in bedrooms. The villa includes updated bathrooms, a new water heater, and a new washer-dryer. Relax on the expansive screened patio with a garden view or use the fenced front patio with a storage closet. Accordion shutters provide added security. You'll have 2 parking spots right in front. The community offers a pool, hot tub, private parks, and scenic lake strolls. Located close to A-rated schools, shopping centers, and parks. For more information, review the details below or contact Anna Cavalier at 561-223-9878.